Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for you guys. If you're interested to see what I got, just keep on watching. So before I get into this unboxing, I want to tell you a little bit about this bag that I purchased. I had been looking for this color for quite some time, ever since I saw it the first time on Dooney and Bourke. I had put it in my cart several times, but as I have done a lot of times in the past, I will put stuff in my cart, don't check out, come back, and it's gone. And that's exactly what happened with this bag. I saw it in the smaller size, but most of you that know me know I prefer the medium size, although I'm really starting to like the weight of the smaller bag. It's like I like the weight of the smaller bag, but I love the look of the medium size bag. And yes, I'm talking about the Florentine satchel. You guys know that I have a variety, a rainbow of colors in that bag. And this was a color that I just absolutely fell in love with the first time I saw it. And I just didn't bite the bullet soon enough. Well, I did see it in the smaller size, as I said, and it was on sale, but it just didn't do it for me. I was like, I just can't get the small when I know I prefer the medium. So I said, I'm going to keep looking, and if I don't find it, I don't find it. Well, one day I was looking at your videos, and I saw a video of Florentine Beauty where she was talking about the salmon bag and how it was coming back to Dooney and Bourke. And so I thought, oh, I'm going to go look for it, right? Well, it was gone, of course. There was no more by the time I looked on the site. And they still didn't have this bag that I wanted. So they didn't have either one. But I saw the small. Well, then I got that one back in my head, and I'm thinking, okay, I have got to look for this bag. So I just started Googling it. And I started Googling, and guess what, you guys? I found it. I found it, and I found it in the medium size, and she is here. I got her, I want to say, about 2-3 days ago, and it's been sitting in my den for that many days, and I'm dying to open it, but I just hadn't had the time to get this video done, and I wanted to do a true unboxing. I like to do true unboxings when I can. Sometimes if I don't have the time, I just go ahead and open it, and then I just do a reveal. But, I know some of you guys knew I was in search of this color in the medium size Florentine satchel, and I'm going to tell you where I found it because they do have some more left. So if you're interested in getting one of those, there's still some available. Let me tell you that when I found mine, it was still priced at the old Dooney and Bourke price, which was $398. The last time I looked, I should have looked before I started this video, but I looked last night, and as of last night when I looked back on the site, there was 4 bags left in the medium size in this color. But they were already, I guess someone gave them the memo, and they upped their price to regular prices, which I want to say is $438. That's the new price for the medium Florentine satchel. So still a good deal to me. It's great leather. I love it. I'm wondering if this is going to be like my tote bag, and you guys know that tote bag was a little different than the Florentine, Dooney and Bourke Florentine leather that I'm used to. It was a lot smoother, a lot thinner it seemed, and it didn't have that wonderful smell that I absolutely love. And so I don't know what to expect. I have never ordered from this site before, but I have heard of it. So I know, I wasn't being risky, but I have never ordered from there. And I will tell you where I got it in just a minute. But if you're interested, like I said, I looked last night and there was still 4 bags left. But, when I bought mine, it was $398. And unfortunately, now it's back up to the regular price, which is $438. But if you really have your heart set on this color and this size, I would totally get it, because before there's no more and you'll have to hunt them down elsewhere on the pre-loved market, and usually, you know, you'll have to pay a little bit more. So anyway, let's get to it because I'm dying to see what this looks like. I am not picky when it comes to Florentine leather being pebbled, you know, throughout or in certain areas. I do love a smooth bag, but if it does have some pebbling on it, I take it as a bag characteristic and I love it just the same. So, you know, I realize it's a skin and they're all different, and I can't wait to see what mine looks like. So let's get into it, you guys. I'm going to show you where I bought mine so you can start looking for it, you guys. I bought this bag at Zappos, okay? I remember I would always look at this site when I was looking for shoes and stuff. I never thought of bags or whatever, but when I was Googling this bag in this particular color and size, I found it here. So let's open it and see what kind of bag I got. I'm excited, but I'm kind of nervous. I mean, I trust this place. I know the shipping was fast and easy. I've never ordered from here, not even shoes. So I think UPS brought it home. Let me see. I've never seen this color in person. I've just seen all of your bags in this color. And oh, I already see some pebbling. So you know what? That makes me believe. You can already see the color, can't you? Look at this color. I'm going to go ahead and pull her out. I am talking about the Florentine satchel in the steel blue in the medium size, you guys. I love this size. I love it. But when it comes to using it, this is how it came. It was just wrapped up like this, like you get from Dooney, in a box. Okay, no stuffing, no nothing, but I'm okay with it. This is stuffed and packed good enough for me. I mean, the box wasn't huge, so it wasn't like, you know, shaking all over the place. I keep hearing noises. I think it's my cats. So if you see me like kind of look around, that's what I'm doing. But I already saw some pebbling on there, which, like I said, is fine with me. But you know what that makes me think? That makes me think that it's that old Florentine leather and not that new one. Because the smooth one, I mean that new one, like my tote bag, that is like thinner, but it is smooth as can be. It's kind of like my smooth bag, really. And this one, oh yeah, this is like my old ones, you guys. I like that. Híjole. Oh my gosh. Look at this, you guys. What is this? Is this a den or is this a... Oh, okay. It looked really dark on the screen and I thought it was like a spot, but it's not. I'm going to get up close here because I want you to see this beautiful bag. And I'm going to turn my light up because I want you to see her in her full glory. Okay. Look at this beautiful bag, you guys. She almost looks like a gray, like a dark gray, like a, I don't know, like, what is that? Like a steel gray, almost between that and a dusty blue. I don't know what the dusty blue looks like, and I don't own one. Let's sit down so we can, I don't own a dusty blue bag. Wow. Sorry, you guys, I'm in awe. I've been wanting this color. And you know what else? I have another confession to make. And I'm going to blame you again, Pecan Tan Beauty, because she posted somewhere down the line that they had a special going on Dooney and Bourke. So I think it was 25% off, $200 or more or something like that. So I got on, and they didn't have that salmon, but you know what they did have? They had that pale blue. And I am obsessed with it because it looks very much like aqua. It looks a little bit darker than aqua, or lighter, I want to say, lighter than aqua, but it's absolutely gorgeous, you guys. And that one's on pre-order, so I think I put it in my cart, and I said I'm not going to do what I always do and just come back to it and think I can just come back to it later. I'm not going to do that. So what I did was I got it, I think the code is spring or something like that. It says it on there. And I'm sure it's still, that sale's still going on unless it was a one-day deal. So then I put it in my cart, and then I put that code in, and it took $109 off, you guys. So from $438, whatever, it came down. I ended up paying like, how much was it? I don't even remember, but I saved $109, whatever it was. And it's on pre-order though. I think it said I'm not gonna get it till May, which is kind of ridiculous, but I thought, well, that's okay. In May, I'm guaranteed a pale blue Florentine satchel in this beautiful size that I love so much, in the pale blue, and it was $109 off. So yeah, I took it. So anyway, this is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. I'm gonna step up for a minute, and that way I can show you how beautiful this bag is, because, let me see, it's got everything that we're used to. Got the strap here, the beautiful green suede interior. This one does have the red lining, and that is so beautiful up against this blue color here. But she's beautiful, you guys. I'm really, really loving this bag. She does have a lot of wrinkling. It does feel like that smoother leather. It doesn't feel like that old one. It looks more like that baby pink that I have, because if you see up close, it does have like some wrinkling there, and it is that thinner. I thought it wasn't, but it is that thinner leather, but I'm happy with it. It's fine. It's got a little glue or something here, nothing big, but oh my gosh, this is such a beautiful color. I want to say it's like a chambray denim. It's just beautiful, you guys. I am obsessed with her. I want to say she's like a chambray blue, like a chambray denim. How gorgeous is this color? She's got the green suede. She looks super pretty with that green suede. I want to get in up close of this leather, because it is the smoother leather. It is the smoother leather. I was thinking that it wasn't when I saw this wrinkling right here, but that's how my baby pink one is. That's how that one was, and I'm fine with it. I am so in love with her. See, she still has the old price. I don't know if you can see that, but you might have to just take my word for it. There it is. Steel blue, $398, and that's what I paid. But like I said, they do have some. They had, as of last night, they had 4 of them left in this size and this color. But they were already the 438 or whatever that new, the new amount is. But anyway, you guys, I just wanted to open this up with you guys and share it with you. I know that a lot of you guys knew that I was looking for this bag, and I love it. I am in love with her. She's beautiful, you guys. She's beautiful, and I am so glad I waited and didn't just get the small like I was going to do. Now I'm thinking that I might want to go back and get that wallet. I think they have that large zippy wallet on I Love Dooney for 134 I believe it was, or 138, something like that. But anyway, if any one of you guys is in search of this bag in the medium color and the steel blue, they have it at Zappos. Get over there and get it. Okay? Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.